Hello everyone, so if you want to hide names in message contents in WhatsApp notifications on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, so first of all, locate your WhatsApp application, give it a hold and now press on this information icon. Scroll down to your notifications tab. Here, first of all, we're to turn off allow notification badges. So turn off this option. Now scroll down to your message notification right here. Find your on the lock screen and tap here. So here you have three choices: show all notifications and their contents, show all notifications but hide contents, and don't show notifications at all. Let's choose show all notifications but hide contacts. Go back and basically that's it. Now even we receive a message, the name and the text won't be visible on the lock screen. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.